Some dishes travel across the ocean. Some dishes get creative by the local people just based on some idea. So we're going to make Gobi Manchurian and you can enjoy them with Malabar Paratha. So you have seen how we made the Kuttu Paratha and other things on our show using the Malabar Paratha, which needs a little bit of stretching. In fact, I am going to provide the link how to do this paratha. We are going to add the corn flour. In this, add all-purpose flour, that is maida. So this is to coat our cauliflower. A little bit of ginger, some green chilli. In this, add some ginger garlic paste. Add little pepper, maybe crushed pepper. It's up to you. Add some flavoring salt. And if you have 5 spice powder, you can add it. Otherwise, you can also add pinch of garam masala. So this will give a very nice taste for your cauliflower. Add salt, add water. Add the pieces of the cauliflower. Once you mix the cauliflower with batter, you can also add a little bit of flour, the all-purpose flour, and also some cornstarch. This will give the crispy texture that we all love. So this will help the cauliflower remain crispy longer. When the oil is nice and hot, look at it, moisture is observed, and because of the extra flour, they have dried out. And add the cauliflower pieces and also increase the temperature now. Fry them till they are nicely cooked, and look at that, nice pepper and everything. Just as is, you can enjoy them when they are nice and hot. For making the sauce, all you need to do is use the same oil, add some oil in this, lot of crushed garlic, crushed ginger, look at it. The little bit of sizzling will give such a nice aroma. In this, also add some chopped onion. Saute it till they are slightly colored, not much. Now in this, you can add soya sauce, very darkened. Add chili sauce, vinegar, some sugar, some flavoring salt, green chili, capsicum, and also I love to squeeze in some tomato ketchup. You got to check the taste because it has to be perfect. The salt, do not add anything because everything has salt. In this, I'm going to add some chili powder too, some chopped coriander. Look at this. This is perfect. The taste is perfect. Everything is perfect. But I want to make some dry. So I'm going to take some of this crunchy cauliflower, put it on one side. That should be good enough. And just toss them. Look at this. The cauliflower dry will be ready. Just transfer these pieces and you have dry cauliflower Manchurian. And with this, when you want to make a gravy, the trick under my sleeve is some chicken stock. Bring this to a boil. Once again, you have to make sure the taste is good. And if you want to use vegetable stock, you can. So now, it is the same sauce, but because I added chicken stock, this will become like a gravy. All I did is took little cornstarch and add water in that. Add this cornstarch to this and immediately this will thicken. Add all the cauliflower and toss them. Just heat it up and serve this, and on bed of rice you can serve, but today we are going to serve it with Malabar Paratha. Now you have this awesome Manchuria along with this Malabar Paratha, and trust me, it will be so good. And some of the gravy too, let it flow. Serve the dry Manchuria also, whichever one you want. You make the wet Manchuria, you make the dry Manchuria, and definitely one paratha is not enough. The beautiful paratha with the dry Manchurian and the wet Manchurian, and each bite of it is just too awesome. With the crunchy paratha, whichever one you like. The paratha is also nice and hot, and with this dry Gobi Manchuria, this is a little bit, crunchy. Difference. All I tell you is make them, and when you make it so good, you got to do ding chick ding chick. You have both the cauliflower Manchurian. The process is same. In one, we add the stock, we add the slurry of cornstarch, and make the gravy. Make it, eat it, and when you eat the best, just enjoy, 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 enjoy.